When someone recommended getting a foam roller to help relieve your pain symptoms, did you run out and get one? I'm Dr. Heather, your virtual sports chiropractor. Over the course of the next 27 weeks, you'll be able to catch all 27 tips and tricks right here on the channel. This entire series is brought to you by my 3-week sports chiropractic program, where I look at getting you pain-free in under a 3-week period of time so you can get back to the activity you love most. If you want to grab the complete guide, click the link down below and grab it today. Now again, these tips and tricks are in no specific order, so let's get started with tip number 2, foam rolling and massage ball. Now, if you've noticed on the channel, and I'm going to leave the link up top for you guys, if you're unfamiliar on how to utilize a foam roller, you can click on my myofascial series right here on the channel, or grab free access to my myofascial course, where you'll have a 7-day all-access pass to that course, where we look at using a massage ball and foam roller throughout the entire body on really helping you relieve some pain, discomfort, while increasing flexibility and mobility to your body. Now, learning how to effectively use a foam roller and massage ball will be a game changer for most runners, but a lot of us just don't know how to use it, which is a real problem because, again, if you don't use it correctly, you're not going to receive the benefits that you can receive when using these two items. Now, the concept behind the roller and the massage ball on specific areas of the body is to break down the tissue for allowing increased mobility and flexibility to occur. These are really important things that you want to have, because if an area is fixated, if it's stuck, if it's sedentary, and you start using those muscle groups, things may not move and fire and function properly and can lead to injury. This is why we want to use these things appropriately, really post-run. Not necessarily prior to the run, but definitely post-run, because we're going to look at using them for that recovery period. Now, again, I want to give you guys just a little bit of history about who created the foam roller. Well, the foam roller was created by this gentleman, Moshe, who back in the latter half of the 20th century was a physiatrist and martial arts expert. He used a foam roller to decrease pain around his own knee, and what he noticed was that he was able to perform better just by having increased mobility. Now, if we jump ahead to 1987, which is a big difference from the latter part of the 2000 century to all the way to 1987, this is when a physical therapist and devoted follower of Moshe named Sean Gallagher brought the foam roller into the spotlight a little bit more. So it's kind of interesting to see how this tool really has only been around just for a little bit of time, in the sense of we just started really using foam rollers back in the 1990s. Now, foam rolling can help with recovery. It's a huge component when done correctly. And if you're interested in learning more on really how to use the foam roller effectively, I highly recommend you check out my free 7-day all-access pass. There's no obligation at the end. It's a chance for you to kind of really dive into using a foam roller and massage ball and receive all the benefits you could by breaking down the tissue and allowing for some increased flexibility and mobility to the body to enhance your performance. And what I would suggest is, if you do wind up grabbing that free all-access pass, drop some comments down below and let me know what you noticed. I really kind of want to hear. Now again, you guys, don't forget to catch all 27 tips and tricks on injury prevention right here on the channel. I'm Dr. Heather, your virtual sports chiropractor, and I'll catch you next weekend.